Breaking through the city streets with style and sophistication, Ford unveils the new Puma, a sleek, high-tech evolution of the UK's best-selling car, ready to captivate drivers across Europe. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sports car-style cockpit, wrapped in innovation. A 12.8-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.0-inch center touchscreen create a seamless, immersive experience, putting you in control of your journey. Navigating city life has never been easier. With sophisticated driving technologies, including intelligent cruise control, lane centering, and a 360-degree surround view camera system, the Puma adapts to your needs, making every journey enjoyable. The new Puma isn't just about cutting-edge tech, it's a design marvel. The crisp lines, sculpted bonnet, and dynamic LED lights showcase its muscular presence, making it a head-turner on the streets. Practicality meets innovation with the MegaBox, an 80-liter storage compartment in the boot floor, capable of holding a small supermarket haul or even 2 sets of golf clubs. The Puma seamlessly blends style with functionality. Choose your style, whether it's the sophisticated titanium, the sporty ST line, or the high-performance ST Line X with a range of colors and unique design elements. The Puma lets you express your individuality. Designed and built in Europe, the new Ford Puma sets a new standard for compact crossovers. It's not just a car, it's an experience. Stay tuned for more updates on Ford's journey into the future.